Welcome to Tech Tips. Today we're going to talk about keyboard shortcuts inside Edmentum. So you may have noticed that when you're in Edmentum and you're working in a tutorial, that when you go to right-click, copy, paste, etc., it doesn't work. So let me teach you a couple of quick keyboard shortcuts that will really save you a lot of time. So let's assume, for argument's sake, that I forgot my teacher's instructions to go ahead and do all of my work in Google Docs first, and I started typing my response inside the tutorial. The concern is that if I get logged out, that I will lose my work. So I definitely want to be working in a Google document. However, in this case, I've forgotten to do so, and here's my work. So how do I get this work out of here and into a new Google document so that I can finish my essay and then paste it back in? The first keyboard shortcut I want to show you is Control A. Control A will select all of the text inside the box. Now Control X is going to take the content out of the box. If I Control Z, I can undo that choice and put my work right back where it was before. If I select Control C, that will simply copy the work that I've done so far. And then I can go ahead and open a new tab, and with Control V, I can paste my answer right in my Google document and complete my work. So once again, if I want to select everything within the box, Control A will select all, Control C will copy it, Control X will remove it, that's cut, and I can come over here and Control V as in Victor and paste. Control A for all, Control C for copy, back to my answer, and Control V to paste. And if I need to undo, all I need to do is select Control Z. All right, that's our tech tip for today. Have a great day.